Hey everyone, Chad here, and I'm going to show you how to make a workflow to switch between bots. So all you got to do is click here, and you're going to hit start from scratch. And we're just going to call this bot switch, right? And the only thing that really needs to happen here in this is a customer replied. So once we put the customer replied trigger in, right, we can actually then add a filter, and we can say that we only want, excuse me, I don't have my normal mouse. We only want people who replied to channel chat widget. And it's actually not chat widget, it's live chat, sorry. And then you can add your filters now. And this is where it's different from before. Before, we didn't have this option right here, which is live chat is, okay? And then you can say if live chat is help chat, right? And you can say customer replied. Again, sorry about my mouse going everywhere. Help chat, right? And we can make this trigger help chat. And we would do the same thing, right? I'll make another customer reply trigger. My stuff is going super slow. All right, and we would do the same concept, right? Reply channels, live chat, and my gosh, this mouse is touchy. And live chat is, about to just do it on my touchscreen. Sales bot, trigger. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is we're going to have a step here underneath, which again doesn't want to click. And we're going to do a if step. And we're going to put in two different branches. One branch is going to be help bot. And the trigger is, oh, gotta save it, sorry. Trigger is help chat. And then we're going to have another branch where the trigger is sales bot. And we're going to name these just to keep it all clean. And now we can trigger the different bots by adding our steps under here to send out the trigger to close bot to go ahead and take over that for that particular bot. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. This will be uploaded on my YouTube channel as well. Thanks and have a great day.